Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your server or workstation. Today we're diving into the OWC 64GB DDR4 ECC registered memory kit. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's specifically designed for servers and workstations that demand stability and error correction. So, if you're running a standard desktop, this likely isn't the upgrade you're looking for. This kit consists of 4 16GB DDR4 2133 MHz PC 4-17000 cell 15 ECC registered RDIMM modules. The ECC registered designation is key here. ECC, or Error Correcting Code, memory detects and corrects single-bit errors, which is crucial for maintaining data integrity in critical applications. The registered aspect adds another layer of stability, buffering the control signals to reduce stress on the memory controller, especially important when you're populating multiple memory slots. OWC has built these modules to be fully compliant with JEDEC standards, ensuring they meet the industry specifications for performance and reliability. They're also RoHS compliant, meaning they're manufactured with reduced hazardous substances. This is a warranty-safe upgrade, so you don't have to worry about voiding your system's warranty by installing these. The primary benefit here is maximizing your server's potential. Whether you're looking to extend the lifespan of an existing server or building a new one on a budget, this OWC memory kit offers a cost-effective way to boost performance and reliability. More RAM translates to better multitasking, faster processing of large datasets, and improved overall system responsiveness. Installation is generally straightforward, but always consult your server or workstation's manual for specific instructions on memory installation. Make sure you're installing the modules in the correct slots and following the recommended configuration for optimal performance. Remember, this ECC registered memory cannot be mixed with unbuffered memory. OWC stand behind their products with a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, which includes free tech support. This provides peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. In conclusion, the OWC 64GB DDR4 ECC register memory kit is a solid upgrade for servers and workstations that require ECC memory. It offers a balance of performance, reliability, and affordability, backed by a reputable brand with excellent customer support. If you're looking to enhance the stability and performance of your server environment, this kit is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your system before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.